Hello guys and welcome to my Cry of Fear playthrough. Sorry, I'm just getting a bit confused because I'm trying to do so many things at once. So yeah, welcome to my Cry of Fear let's play and let's continue. Oh, for fuck's sake, come on! Right, gun should be used against these guys. Right, I need to use gun. Gun is superior in every way. What have we got in here? No heroin. Oh, a Glock magazine though. Need to be careful with my shots, make sure I don't miss. Because ammo is still a hard, scarce thing. Even though I've got lots of it now. Oh fuck, I didn't mean to. I meant to look around. Is there anything? Anything useful? No. Nothing on the ground? No. Yes, finally the nightstick. Drop that shitty knife. Oh fuck. Put that on 2. There we go, wee cretin. Oh, shoot me up. Oh yeah. Call 543214. How'd I... What button is it again? Keypad? Wait, how the hell do I... Ah, right. Let's call the police. Well, they're dead. I'm sure 999 wouldn't have worked, because, bloody... Yeah. You know, because this isn't in Scotland. Right, 543214. 543214. 543214. 543. Oh, no, no. Oh, for fuck's sake. 543214.
Hello? Hello? Who is this? what you're talking about. I need help, please.
5247.
Help me.
5247. 5247. Oh, what am I not? Anything on there? No. I need to play through this game on the hardest difficulty when I complete it. Oh, scary. Oh, Sword Runner! Any loot? Any loot? I remember Sword Runner, he's my favourite. Yes, I hear you. Fucking scared the shit out of me. How did he scare me? I knew he was there and he still scared me. Fucking hell. Right, let's go down. Right. Here we go. Through here. Oh yeah, save. Ah, perfect. I love saving. Saving is so satisfying. Oh fuck! You bastard! Take that, dick. Oh fuck. There we are, dealt with. Oh god. Fucking get away, get away, get away! Right, I'm not coming back this way, fuck that. Something moving on the table, what the hell is it? What is that actually? Fuck. Die! I like these. I always like these enemies. They're pretty cool. This way. There we are. Let's get out of here. We drink a tea. It's good. I love the atmosphere in this game so much. It's so good. Like, you have to admit, the guy who made this game is fucking amazing. Like, he made this from Half-Life 1. Where the hell did I go? There's a few problems with the game, but nothing like too severe. Like, I hate the inventory space. I know it's realistic, but it's horrible. But there's not a lot wrong with it. Like, yes, there's a lot too many jump scares, but nothing wrong with that. Like, people, the Five Nights at Freddy's has like 2 million jump scares and everyone praises that shit show. I hate Five Nights at Freddy's. Like, I don't hate it, I do like the story. The story's cool, but there's too many kids that play it. And yeah. Alright, we might use a gun on these guys. Yeah, no fighting those guys, like both of them at the same time with a nightstick. That would just be annoying as hell. Door's locked. What's through here? This is like one of the least scary parts of the game, in my opinion. Like going through this wee area. Because it's just like workers you're fighting. Nothing too scary. Oh, heroin. Jeff, welcome to the team. It's already going to the basics. A few things you'll need to know. 1. Caves full of puddles, watch step. Cigarette breaks. It's every 2 hours. It's the supervisor's a dick. Remember the code to section D. If you're going to be back and forth all day, you'll need to memorise it. The code is 279. The last number is covered in ink and can't read it. What? Well, I guess I can guess it. Oh wait, wrong room. Two, 7, 9, 1. Oh, that was easy. Oh, Crawler boy, it's been a while. I'm just gonna shoot you. Cause, yeah, crawling about would just be a pain in the ass. Right. Oh yeah, I can easily kill these guys. They attack really slowly. Oh, shotgun rounds. The shotgun is so good at the start. Come on. Oh, fuck. Shotgun boy. Take the lighter. Not going to use the shotgun obviously because why would I waste it? Just finishing my tea there. Let's continue. Should actually get my phone light out so I can see where I'm going. Love this game so much. It's a scary game done right. Wait, what? Can I link rack? No. Whoa! 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 Wait, what? forgot about you guys. Stop hitting me! God damn! Fucking hell. Urgh, shoot me up. Right, what have I got to do again? I've got to like light something on fire, I'm pretty sure. Aha, here we go. Oh god, that hurts. I'm gonna go save the game. I'll need to check what time we're at as well. Those guys sound like they're fucking choking on a cock. Wait, give me that. Right, what time we at? We're at 17 minutes. I'm going to end the video here. If you liked the video, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. May Larry's big bulging chin be with you, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Peace.